In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to see if an item is poisoned. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Roblox items might be poisoned. This is an item that has been obtained through illicit means. They have become a boogeyman of the trading community, and owning a poisoned item has a small possibility of warranting a ban to the owner, and whatever means it took to get the item to them. So, because Roblox suspects owners and past owners to be mules for the items, poisoned items will usually issue a ban on whoever is holding them and any past accounts that had them in their inventory. Poisoned items are most likely stolen accounts with limiteds. So the main way to avoid is simple if you take the right steps. First, you should check alternative websites, for example, Rollimons. If you go to rollimons.com, you will be able to browse through an item's history. So in here, you can sign into your account or browse through a specific item that someone else has. So if you go over to their profile, for example, you will see a history of how much their inventory is worth. And then if you find a specific item, you will have this option here below it, UAID page. If you click this, then you will see the item in a new tab and you will be able to check the past owners. So all that you have to do here is look through these owners and see if you notice anything out of the ordinary. If you see an account that looks suspicious, it could be because they acquired a poison item. This one looks fine, even though they have some spikes here in price. It seems to be an active account. And if I keep scrolling down, browsing through all of these profiles, none of them seem incredibly suspicious or out of the ordinary. Like I said before, you need to pay attention to accounts that have a sudden spike in price or something similar. Another thing that you can do, like I said, is to just be careful when trading. Background check the account that you are trading it with. Look for the account creation date, the history of value gains, and a common misconception is that all items that are obtained through illegitimate means mean that you are buying them with USD and every single one is poisoned, but this is not true. An item will only carry a risk of issuing a ban if it was stolen from an account. So in this example here, I have another item UAID profile, and if I actually go to one of these profiles, you can notice that in the entire price history of this account, it had a spike in 2021 and then nothing else. So this actually seems to indicate that it looks like this item was poisoned. It was stolen because this account here looks very, very suspicious. So be careful who you are trading with and always check the UAID. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.